Hey Divas and Divas, so I am back doing this tutorial on Rose Gold palette meets, what is this other one called? The Desert Dusk palette, which is right here, these two here. So I used both of these to make this eye look. I love both of these. Yeah, I love both of these. I actually just got this one during the VIB sale in November, but I only used it like twice. But I really love the pigmentation of it, so it really looks good. So quickly, before I start the tutorial, on my eyelashes is Adore eyelashes, and it's number H171. My lip combo is Makeup Forever number 18 lip liner. Wet n Wild, it is Mochalicious 914C. Looks like this. I don't know if it's going to focus on it or not. It may not. And then I use a little bit of ColourPop in the center, and it's She's Bad Matte. Looks like that. My blush, which I'm really liking, is the Anastasia blush kit. So to contour, I use the blush here, this contour color here. And then for my blush, I used these two colors down at the bottom. And that's this. That highlight though, you would never believe this. I got this when I was living in England at Superdrug. It's MUA highlighter and underdress your skin. Love this color. I wish I would have got the other ones before I left. I always said I was going to go back, but when I was moving, it was just way too much. Under my eye, I used the Sephora concealer as well as the MAC Pro Long concealer. What is it? The Bright Future. To set under my eyes, I used the Fit Me. I have a love-hate relationship with this one. I don't know exactly why, but no, I do know why. It doesn't, sometimes it just eats away the products whenever I leave. It just looks weird sometimes. And then the two foundations that I'm using, I love both of these foundations for two separate reasons. This one is because I just always loved Smashbox. So this is Smashbox 15-hour hydration wear. Looks like this. And then Fenty Beauty, and I believe this is one in 250. No, 420, 250. I'm making up. I'm putting it out there for a reread. So yeah, let's dive in. Thanks for watching. So what I'm using is my face powder, and I'm using a 4SS blending brush for my backdrop. Then using the Desert Dust palette in the color OUD in a Delium Tools 785 blending brush, and just blending that into the crease. I used the color Sandalwood to blend out all the harsh lines along with that brush, and that is a MAC 525 flat shader brush in the color Royal on the lid. Very nice color. I'm going back in the color OUD in that Bedelium tool brush and blending it out along with the Inglot brush. Going back into OUD to get that color back for the dimension. I'm using a Huda J5523 brush, which is similar to a MAC 27 brush in the color Black Truffle. And that's adding my depth and dimension. I went back into OUD color, and I'm going to go in between the two colors, so make sure everything is all blended out and no harsh lines. I'm just looking for symmetry. My color, I love that color. That is MAC Black Lime in the waterline. Love that color. And just a small tiny wing, I used a Stila liquid liner. I like that Stila liquid liner. I think I like it more than the Smashbox. I haven't had that in a while though. I use Celestial and the Huda flat shader brush in J242G. No, I'm sorry. That is a Zoeva smoky shader brush in 234. Sorry, and that is the color Bossy. Now that is Celestial and the Hakuhudo J242G flat shader brush. That color really popped. You saw that look on my face. I was like, love it. That is a e.l.f. shader brush in Bay as a highlight. And I thought it looked a little too harsh. So then in the next clip, you'll see that I will blend it out using a Inglot brush. No other product, just blending it, making sure that it didn't look too harsh. And I'm just waiting for my camera to focus. Yeah, and this is the final look. Sorry for that face. It looks really bad, doesn't it? I know. But that's the face that I was giving you. But it's a new camera. I'm still learning the features on this camera. So believe me, I didn't really look as light as it looked under the eyes. But peace and peace.